Are you a Shopify brand spending $30K to $1 million a month on meta ads, but your conversion rates are stuck at 2% or less, or your AOV is just not where you want it? Here's the reality: your ads are doing their job, your landing pages aren't. And if you're burning ad budget with no lift in conversion rates, you're leaving tens of thousands of dollars on the table every single month. I'm going to show you exactly why this is costing you scale and how we've helped brands turn this around in under 60 days. Here's what's happening. Your ads are getting clicks. People are landing on your site, but then they bounce. Why? Because your landing pages aren't built to convert. They're built to look nice. No strategic offers, no testing system, no clarity on what's actually driving sales. So your CAC keeps climbing, your ROAS tanks, and every time you try to scale ads, you just burn more money. Meanwhile, your AOV stays flat because there's no upsell strategy, no bundles, no reason for customers to spend more. You're stuck. We've worked with over 80 D2C brands in the last 3 years, and here's what we've done. We've been their CRO partner for over a year, running continuous split tests and seasonal campaigns. On Black Friday, Cyber Monday alone, we hit a 15% conversion rate on their landing pages. That kind of performance is what helped them scale further. Barrow Brewing, Tom Holland's brand. We built their full educational funnel with listicles and persona-specific testing. This helped them identify winning angles and accelerate new product adoption with custom offers. Calico Lights, a solar lighting brand where we rebuilt their entire Shopify funnel, improved messaging on their best offer, and created a listicle funnel. With this setup in place, they made $250,000 in under 3 days, with a 15% increase in conversions and an 8% increase in revenue per session. Mad Rabbit, a Shark Tank brand that needed to launch multiple funnels fast, we built listicles, bundles, and product-specific pages that let them scale across new markets and product lines. These aren't one-off wins. This is what happens when your pages are engineered for profit, not just design. So how do we do it? Step 1, audit your funnel. We find exactly where you're bleeding money. Is it your offer, your messaging, your page structure? We identify the bottleneck. Step 2, we build Shopify native pages. We use Replo to build landing pages and funnels that are fast, conversion focused, and integrated directly into Shopify. No clunky third-party tools, no dev headaches. Step 3, test and optimize. We don't build one page and call it a day. We launch multiple angles, test offers, and run split tests to find what actually works, because one page isn't a strategy, it's a guess. The result: higher conversion rates, higher AOV, more profit per visitor. This isn't about making things look prettier, it's about engineering your site to turn traffic into revenue. Now here's the deal. We offer a free CRO audit for brands spending at least $30K a month on ads. On this call, we'll walk through your funnel, show you exactly what's broken, and give you a custom roadmap to fix it, whether you work with us or not. Best case scenario, you walk away with a strategy worth $10,000 that could add $50K to $100K in monthly revenue. Worst case, you spend 30 minutes with us and finally understand why your site isn't converting. If that's a trade you're willing to make, click the button below to book your free audit now. Let's fix your funnel and turn your ad spend into profit.